Here I planted some strawberry vanilla hydrangea this year, but it was a hot, dry summer, so it dried up a little bit. Some of the flowers recovered and have this nice pink strawberry color. I hope it will grow tall and it will cover part of the wall. And recently planted hydrangea paniculata phantom that my neighbor nicely gave me. However, it was hot and the roots were exposed, so it dried up a little bit. Hopefully it will recover for next year because it's a beautiful bush. Actually, there are two bushes next to each other here. I hope to grow them into the large tree to cover the electric box and water pipe during the hot day from shade. Here is supposed to be decorative flower bed, and I did put two hydrangea bushes. These are short hydrangeas, a little fire, I think they're called, but one of the bushes was overshadowed by the huge heirloom tomato. Actually, it's not a heirloom, it's hybrid. It's called a chocolate cherry, I believe. So it has this, it really grows a lot, does a lot of expansion and has a lot of clusters of grape tomatoes, which are very tasty, can be eaten raw or added to pizzas and other meals, and they keep texture very well. They're mostly green now, it's been cold, and I already took off the red tomatoes. Oh, there is one right there. And there are some irises which were overshadowed by the tomato, so soon I will take it off and the green ones will be finishing ripening in the paper bag. Here I believe it's wild strawberry grew. Probably I will try planting it next year. I do have a little bit of fence with the fish line against the deer because they were eating tomatoes. You can see they ate all the leaves and they were eating some fruits. They also ate some broccoli that I grew here. I have some parsley behind broccoli. Here you can see the seeds of Daikon radish. I already harvested the radishes and some of these go to seeds, and you can see how deep the roots go. And I try to interplant the vegetables with flowers, so I have some zinnias to make it all pretty. Here is the lettuce going to seed, and arugula went to seed. It will be all good for next year. Here's the basil, but it will not survive the winter. Here's another lettuce in bloom. Another wild strawberry grew as a weed. I did not plant it, it just grew on its own. And some parsley leaves. And some rosemary. Here is arugula going to seed, still flowering, a little bit bitter to eat now. So here's my front flower bed.